Are you looking for a theme park in a nuclear power plant? A nice family trip around the depths of hell perhaps? Or maybe even watching a live crucifixion of Jesus Christ? There seems to be a lot of bizarre places to visit around the world, and today we're going to be looking at the weirdest ones. Let's go! So we're jumping right in it. The first park I'm looking at is Wunderland Kalkar, which is based in Germany, and it is an actual nuclear power plant that has a theme park inside it. It is built on the former site of SNR 300, a nuclear power plant that was never online because of the construction problems and protests. You can actually climb up the wall of the cooling tower. How mad is that? Look at that. What the hell? So we got this mad ride that I've honestly never seen in my life. But look at this Starflyer inside the actual chimney. I mean, I want to do that. I hate Starflyers, they scare the hell out of me, but I'll do that one. So the second one we're looking at is Haw Par Villa in Singapore, and apparently it has an exhibition in there, or kind of some walkthrough where it's depicting places from hell. Fun for the whole family. This is pretty family friendly stuff, man. I mean, it's a good place to, you know, if you're trying to discipline your kids. You don't have to do anything naughty. Look what will happen. I kind of want to go to this. Is it weird that I want to go to it? So next up is one that's probably pretty familiar to most people in the UK, which is Diggerland. Diggerland is essentially a place where you can drive a digger and also ride a digger. They're different things. Let me show you. So we're looking at Diggerland in Durham. This is their promo video. Weird mascots, gotta say. They're pretty weird mascots, right? Look at that. That is a ride. You can actually, that is an existing ride that you can go on. You could actually pull some G's on that. So this is a sky shuttle. This goes pretty big. Look at that. Look how high that is. Wait, what? Oh, oh my god. I thought the kid had like a massive hand with painted nails. Kids can actually go for a drive. Like, that is crazy that a kid can just, like, can he even touch the pedals? He's pretty young. But this is like a kid's dream. Diggerland. Yeah, I wanna go to Diggerland. Oh yeah, gonna dig all day. Look how high that is. What is that? Wow. That is epic. Yeah, I need to do that one. That is the one I want to do. And that, like, off-roading. That was so fun. Epic. So that is Diggerland, everyone. Buckets of fun for everyone. So this next theme park we're looking at is called BonBon Land in Denmark. And this is a pretty infamous theme park. It's got a dog fart roller coaster. It's got a peeing ant and sexy cows. Oh yeah. So starts out pretty innocent. Just your normal kind of funny animal statues. And whoa! Wow. There must be so many kids from Denmark who've grown up very confused as to why did I find cows attractive. So yeah, it's just like, yeah, there's a rat being sick. I just do not get why someone would want to give ants human genitalia. Holy God. What is that? Look at that. It's like you swing it by yourself. Imagine if you had that in your local playground. That's sick. And here we have the most infamous dog fart roller coaster. Love it. What is that, like a pillow? What is going on? Wow. I want to go to BonBon Land. Next up we have a park called Shijingshan, which is in Beijing. And this is kind of known as a knockoff Disney. And it's got everything. It's got a knockoff Cinderella Castle. It's got a not so convincing Spaceship Earth. It's just very, very weird. It's very weird. Let's have a look. The castle just looks so bizarre with a Ferris wheel behind it. It's really weird. Like, you can kind of see like Spaceship Earth just over there. Ugh, look at that speaker. You wouldn't get that at Disney, would you? What is that little hole in a dress? That looks like if Chernobyl and Toontown had a baby. You'd get this place. So I'm on this webpage called Bjorn Free. Oh, like it's so dilapidated. But this place is still open. That's a scuffed Popeye. Is that meant to be like Shrek or something? Like a weird Shrek? What is that? It's just a bunny, like, just pointing a gun at you. That is terrifying to kids. What? Oh my God, Ariel, what have they done to you? Right, alarm bells are ringing. That looks like if you're kidnapped, that's a place you'd wake up in and be like, that's it, I'm gone. I'm done for. What the hell is that? So this last park is a bit of a weird one, but it's meant to be weird. Unfortunately, you can't go to it anymore, and it's called Dismaland in Weston-super-Mare. Now, this was a temporary park done by the artist Banksy. So let's take a look. So they did this actual advert, which is like a kind of a Disney-style advert. Like it's all kind of, yeah, it's a bit rubbish. It's meant to be, but they actually had kind of just loads of installations there, and all the staff there looked really bored and just unhelpful. Look, and it was for I think everything a month or so, and they had loads of different like musicians play there on night times and stuff. Look at them crying. Pocket money loans. Like having like refugees that you can drive around. Lovely. That is awesome. So they actually had fireworks there as well. So that is Dismaland. So I've got one more thing to say. Subscribe and like the video. Bye.